Hey guys, what up? Fat Thor here. Today I want to show you guys how to create a Twitch banner for free. For this series, I'm going to be creating different banners and profile pictures on all the major platforms so you guys can see how to do it. So make sure you check out those other videos. And remember, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. So let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the site called Kavana.com. This is free to use. Guys, if you sign up with my link, it's going to be in the description. Then you get a free credit. That free credit can be used towards some of their premium features, which is an easy and cheap $10 a month. It's very worth it if you want to use this more and don't really want to get into Photoshop. So right now, you're going to go over to create a design. You're going to type in the search engine, Twitch. Twitch banner is going to come up. What this does is provide you with the proper dimensions for the banners. Okay, so right now I'm going to use my friend's example because he wants me to make him a very nice banner for Twitch. We are going to come over to search for templates. So you want to find a template that fits your theme. His colors are black and red. So we're going to type in black and red. Find a nice template that we like. Let's see. This is a nice one. I like the simple ones, so we're going to try this one. We can always switch it. So we're going to... Certain features are premium and you have to pay, but this is going to be free stuff only. The point of this is to show you what we can do for free. So he's got Twitter. He's got Twitch. His name is... Loudness. Loudness 1. So we are going to find his social media pages. He said he has Twitter. We'll put that as the same name. If it's not, we can always change it later. And then there, bam. His colors are black and red, so we're going to come here. We're going to click on the background. Then we're going to come here and change the color. Red. You can change it to whatever you want it. I like the darker reds. We're going to make this text black. Easier to see. Come over here and click the color, change that to black. Bam, black, bam. It's so easy. You can do this so fast. That's what I love about it. It's free and it's fast. The name of the game is speed when it comes to all this stuff. Click on it. Black, black, black. Why not? Then we want to come to uploads. We're going to upload the image. That is his. Ignore my 1,000 dehumidifiers. This is his logo. So we actually want just the background of it. So we're going to come to remove.bg. We're going to upload his logo to it. Hopefully it takes out the right background. Perfect. Kind of. No. That doesn't look good. Let's see what we can do, though. We should be able to crop the image. Yeah. So let's see if we can crop this. How are we supposed to move it? I don't want the text. I just want the freaking demon. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Awesome. So remember, remove.bg. What this does is removes the background. It's meant for like portraits and stuff, but it also works for other images as well. And they also have a website that removes the background of videos, but we don't need that for today. So then we want to change official channel of Loudness 1. Loudness 1 is his name. So this is a pretty nice free banner, size to the right dimensions. And we made this in like, 2 minutes for free. But if we want to add like an image of the background, we can do that. We need to figure out how to make this the background. Adjust maybe. We can change the transparency. We can change the colors. I just want this to be like a background. I don't want it to be fully visible. There we go. That is a pretty nice banner for free within minutes. So background is where you change that, obviously, because it's the background. And then you can come over to your text. You can make some nice fancy text, but we're just going to go with the template is because this is actually pretty nicely laid out. Then we want to come over to elements, and we're going to type in, oh, we already typed in Twitch, but you type in whatever icon you want, and a lot of these are free. And you click on Twitch, resize it. I'm going to make these pretty similar size. So come over here, drag it next to the loudness. Bam, change it from purple to black so it matches. And then we got the official channel of One Loudness One with his Twitter, his Twitch. Well, he's on his Twitch. So this should probably be his YouTube. I'm not sure what his YouTube is. He said he wanted a Twitter cover and YouTube cover. So he definitely has a YouTube. So we're going to delete that. This is perfect so I can show you guys. YouTube. Drag it over. Put it next to here. Resize it so it's matching pretty well. Perfect. Color, black. That's nice. Plus signs black, red. Matches the whole theme here. Then you come, when you're finished, when you like it, you come up to the top right. It says download. Click download. Whatever quality you want it in. Obviously, it's an image, so we want high quality image, PNG. Download. Bam. It's going to render. It's going to be downloading in a few seconds, and I'm just going to send this over to him, and then we're already done. We got a nice image. You got to remember, though, it's going to save as the name of the template. You can change the name of the template at the top right here where it says Zoe Burns, whatever you want it. So, Loudness 1. But I didn't when I downloaded it, so I'm going to look for in my drives for the thing that's named after the theme, which was Zoe Burns. And here's the banner. It's perfect dimensions for Twitch. It's ready to go. So, guys, that's how you make a Twitch banner for Twitch with the correct dimensions for free in under 5 minutes. Hopefully this, guys, helps. Remember, you can grab the link for this below, and you get a free credit, and I get a free credit, and we can both be happy with our free credit, because then we get to get premium elements for free. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the next ones for Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. See you guys soon.